I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by separating eggs immediately. Crack each egg and place the yolk in a small bowl, then set aside. Whip the whites first because they trap air. Colder whites whip firmer, so chill briefly if needed. Once done separating, season the whites lightly with a pinch of salt to stabilize the foam and get your skillet heating to medium-low. This prevents burning. Make sure to have the yolks nearby for the finish and a spatula ready for gentle handling. You whip the whites to soft peaks because that balance gives structure without drying. Add a pinch of cream of tartar or 1/8 tsp salt to stabilize the foam. Once you see soft peaks, fold briefly to remove large bubbles. Too much deflates them. Spoon the foam into mounds on the warm skillet and press a shallow well into each with the back of the spoon to cradle the yolk. Then lower the heat to low and cover so steam finishes the interior evenly. You now place each yolk into its foam well carefully and cover the pan. Steam cooks the yolk gently while the whites set, usually 1 to 2 minutes for runny centers. Once done, uncover and cook another 30 to 60 seconds if you prefer firmer yolks, then season and serve immediately. If the whites start browning or drying, reduce heat, add a splash of water to create steam, cover again for 15–30 seconds. This salvages texture without overcooking the yolk.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.